Look at all the good-looking men. What? It's a gay place? What happened to all the good-looking men? I died. They all turned gay. I'll take care of that. Now that I'm back, I'll turn these men straight. I'm here to join that gay list, so I can maybe come back. Yeah. See, Hollywood needs sex symbols. They're all gone. Oh, looks like I'm on stage. Must be a show bar and grill. Yeah. Is that old fart in the corner, W.C. Fields? I figure he was pickled. Hey, John, if you would have done like I did and left those kiddies at the orphanage and had the trouble you have today, trouble I like is man trouble. Yeah. Oh, they say I've done him wrong, but hey, ask him, he'll tell you something different. You know, it's not the men in my life that count. Is the life in my man. Hey boys, show me your stuff. Which one of you want to come up and see me sometime? Any bisexuals in the place? Anybody in here like women over 110? If so, I'm right down your alley. Yeah.